Hi, this is Mamta Sahota working with Century 21 Green Realty. Today I am here at the Hway site. It is situated in Erin Mills and the project is a urban stacked town homes and it's a beautiful project. If you are a first time home buyer, this project is for you. If you are who lives in a bigger house and planning to move, doing smart move to a smaller unit, this project is for you. If you are an investor like me, this project is definitely for you because you will not only in this particular project break even in this project, you will also have positive cash flow. So let me introduce you this project. The name of the project is The Hway and it's a collection of beautiful urban townhomes and I'm going to show you how this project going to be looking like. Most importantly, location is the key. Right now we are in the Erin Mills area and the particular location of the project is Hway and Collegeway. So you are very close to the university, you are very close to Erin Mills GO station, you are very close to Erin Mills town center, you are very close to Square One. We are in between Highway 403, QEW, so all the highways are around. So connectivity is amazing. So for living purpose as well as investment purpose, this is the place for you. So let me show you the project with me. Please come. The most important thing when you're thinking of buying or investing, you need to see who is the builder behind this project. So let me tell you the builder. Sorbara is the people, the builders behind this project. They've been building communities for last 75 years. So that is very important thing. Secondly, they are very good with the kind of product they deliver. Also, they deliver their product on time. So if you're an investor, that is also very important to know if you will be getting your product on time so that you can calculate your numbers wisely. And the most important part about this project and other similar project, urban town projects available in the market, most of the projects right now you're seeing the very first level is usually 4 to 5 feet under the ground. But in this project, you will be from ground up, which means that you will have bigger windows, more lighting, your rooms will be bigger. So it will be a bigger and brighter view. And also this particular town, you see that there are 2 levels. So you are in a town and it's a complete house feeling. So on the main floor, you will have your living area, kitchen and powder room. On the first floor, you'll have your bedrooms. Minimum to minimum, every unit have 2.5 washrooms. So this particular unit is capable to look after people of about 4 to 5 family members. It's a very good size unit. So even for the smaller units, you are getting this unit for about 1,000 square feet. The price is so good. Even being in Mississauga, you are getting this unit for only 535,000. Yes, it's hard to believe, but this is the price for you because you are my client. Being my platinum access client, you can access this unit before this unit is open for public and the price goes higher. It's your opportunity to get access to this unit, parking included.